What is good, y'all? It's your boy Hot Rod Jr. back again with an update on the Pipe Dream 6.0 build. Today is the day. We have the Durabond CH25s. They're not damaged this time. With that being said, hopefully we be slapping these bearings in. So let's get it! We're about to hit it with the pressure washer now, get her cleaned up, and it will be time for the bearings. The Pipe Dream 6.0 build got new bearing surfaces in her. Shout out to my boy Yoyo coming through with the tool, helping your boy getting this thing right.
Teamwork make dream work.
Matuna.
Sheen shot.